Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account on ESI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in esic.in/employeeportal/login.aspx. Then press enter and now you will be taken into the ESI employee portal. Now within the language section at the top right corner, click on the drop down menu to choose your desired language. And now make sure to select ESI staff underneath the login option. After you click on this, you can type in your credentials. Now within the user ID box, type in the user ID that you have set up while creating your account in the first place, and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then enter the captcha code that you see underneath, and after entering all of these information, click on the login button and you will be logged in to your ESI employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the login help option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your ESI employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.